just a little bit of life left to hold these mufflers into place, but the whole system shakes like crazy sometimes, and I believe this is the culprit. So we're gonna put it to the test, because you know my son believes they're motor mounts. I think it's these, so I'm always up for a good challenge. So these are the motor mounts that I got. Now the ones underneath, of course, they look so stretched out, but if you look on the back, it'll tell you. Hopefully you'll be able to see me do this. What I'm doing is I'm adjusting this multi-tool. You can see that, hopefully you can, to get onto the end of the metal bracket and the rubber, let's see, hanger. And I don't have a lot of room in here. Hopefully, please come off. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gripping the back of the rubber, but I'm putting this end of the multi-tool on the metal part, and that's what I'm using for leverage to push off and get a better grip. Oh God, thank you. And here, can you see that? I hope you can see this. Alright. Whew. Here we are. Let's get the new one on. Alright, here's the old one. Oh, they're a different shape. I hope it's correct. The new one. So I'm just gonna pop that inside out. Alright, got this baby on. Whew. One down, one more to go. All good. Here's the driver's side on. But those are sexy, huh? On there, real nice.
One more bag, then I'm gone, gone, gone.